and it was just picked about 24 hours ago. It's beautiful goldenrod. I prefer to select the younger specimens and only take about 12 inches. You can use a knife, use scissors, or just bust it off. That allows the plant to shoot right back out and grow again. Plus, I take of 30 of them here, very little. So it's important to take little from nature, use what you need. Don't rape the land. Okay, so a few culinary tips I'm going to give you here on how to use goldenrod. You've read this with your doctor. Ask him about goldenrod if you want to, for suggestions and benefits. But it's used for urinary tract. It's used for cancer, different blood problems, common coughs, sniffles.